PowerPoint can play a range of audio and video media, including movies, sound files, and animated clip art. PowerPoint does not have media editing or adjustment controls, so you need to prepare your media clips in another application before importing them. On the Insert tab, there are buttons for movies and sounds. The Movies button lets you insert a movie from your computer or search for an animated clip in the clip art gallery. When you move the cursor over the clips, you get information about the size of the clip. And by clicking the bar on the right, then choosing Preview/Properties, you can preview the clip. To insert a movie, locate the file and click OK. Unlike images, media files are only linked to your presentation, not embedded in it and saved with it. It's generally a good idea to copy your movie file into the same folder as your presentation before you import it, so you don't have problems with links if you change computers. Choose whether you want the movie to start playing automatically when you navigate to that slide, or if you want it to wait until clicked. But you can change this later on the Movie Tools Options tab. With a movie clip on your slide, you can test it by clicking the Slideshow tab and choosing From Current Slide. Click the movie to start it. You can pause and resume the movie by clicking on it. As with other content, there's a set of tools for adjusting movies. You can resize your movie and add a frame in the Picture Tools Format tab. In the Movie Tools Options tab, you can preview the clip, adjust the volume, change whether the clip begins playing automatically or when clicked, and if you want the clip to play across slides. This means the movie will keep playing when you click to the next slide. That can be a useful option if you want to display different titles and diagrams as the movie plays. Adding sound clips is very similar to adding movies. Under the Insert tab, click the Sound button. The top half of the button opens a window to choose a sound file. The bottom half of the button gives you the option to open a sound from the clip organizer, play a track from a CD, or record your own sound if you have a microphone connected. We'll look at recording a narration for your presentation in a later part of this program. The sound file will appear on the slide as a yellow speaker icon in the center of the slide, but you can position it wherever you want. With the sound icon selected, you can use the Sound Tools Options tab to preview the sound, set if it loops, how it starts, and whether or not the icon is visible. Bear in mind that if the sound is set to play when clicked, you'll need to be able to see it. You can use a sound file as background music for your presentation by placing it near the start of the presentation and setting it to play across slides. The only thing left to add to your presentation is the text. You would have noticed that most of the slide layouts include placeholders with text areas already included. The Insert tab contains a group of additional text tools. The Text Box button lets you click and drag to make a text area on your slide. You can type text in and format it as you would with the standard word processor tools on the Home tab. You can also paste text in from another program like Microsoft Word. Once you have inserted some text, you can use the tools on the Drawing Format tab to make changes to the text box, including changing its shape. choosing a style from the style gallery, and so on. The text box is a shape, just like those we looked at earlier. You can add a header or footer to your presentation, as well as the date and time, and number each slide. These 3 buttons all open the same window. You can enter a set date and time, or one that automatically updates. You can have the slide number displayed and type in the text for a footnote. These settings can be applied to just this slide, to all slides, or to all except the title slide. Once entered, the date, footer and slide number can be formatted like regular text using the tools in the Home tab. PowerPoint can play movies, sound files and animated clip art. Unlike images, media files are not embedded in your presentation. It's a good idea to save the files in the same folder as your presentation. Sound clips can include sound files on your computer, on a CD, or you can record your own. Text boxes can be formatted like shapes. You can also include a header or footer, the date, and slide numbers.